Well, I'm on I-70 East, right outside of Denver, in a blizzard. Can't see much. It's shut down from Denver all the way over to Burlington, which is all the way over by the Kansas line. Looks like we're gonna be here for maybe the night. Who knows? I should have held back at that last bridge. Instead, I moved forward. I should have stayed back there. At least kept me out of the wind. There is another bridge right in front of me. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's not too. The traffic isn't moving. I don't know if I can get up. If traffic goes forward, maybe I'll get up there and see if I can get up underneath that bridge. What a mess. I don't know if you can possibly see the other trucks on the other side. That's right across this highway. I mean, you can't see nothing. There goes a 4-wheel drive truck. What a fucking nightmare.